Guys, welcome back to the vlog. Ngayon, we are giving you an exclusive tour of Smart Systems Laboratory, better known as
SSL!
Come on.
So this is the right side of the room. Ito naman ang left side. Ito naman ang kisame. Ito naman ang under the table. And that's it for our exclusive... Ay, wait lang. Meron pa pala. Ito naman si Ace. Kaway ka naman.
Hi guys!
Why...
Ano na naman?
Why should they pick SS... Sino mo? Why should they pick SSL?
I don't know. Right up from the start, you just made
Dali si Jason. Bakit hindi lang pumasok sa SSL, boss? That's it for our exclusive tour. I hope you enjoyed the first episode of Life in SSL.
Ulit, last one, lawan. Yung puso ko rin naman doon.
A few moments later.
Sa amin na days.
Hindi nag-invite.
Ba't nag-aaway? Aray!
Bawal yung picture.
Bawal na picture, bawal na picture.
Meron na akong sobrang beast nature dati. Kasi, alam mo yung do not cross, do not enter. May ganun ba?
Ito naman si Todo Kanta.